Good afternoon. I am Sunil. Today I want to show you how to create options vertical spread. It could be debit one or credit one. Depends upon the situation. Now I am going to open Zerodha Kite. First we have to see India VIX position. I am opening the chart. First we will check India VIX position in hourly and daily way chart. In hourly, it's below the ATR trailing stop loss in hourly chart. Even RSI is also around 40, that is in negative mode, it's decreasing mode. ADX also it's decreasing mode, that means red line is above green line. In day chart we will see. In day chart also same situation. See, ATR trailing stop loss is above the price, and ADX also red line is above green line. RSI is 34, that means negative mode. So now position of India VIX is this decreasing mode. So better to create credit spread. Now we will see what is Nifty position in day chart. In day chart, Nifty is above the ATR trailing stop loss. See, this is ATR trailing stop loss. This is closing price. So it's above ATR trailing stop loss. RSI is also it's bullish mode, almost 73. ADX is green line is above red line, so it's a bullish sign. We will check it in hourly chart also. All position, see ATR trailing stop loss is below close. RSI is also bullish sign, and ADX also it's a bullish sign. Okay, now we have decided Nifty is in rising mode, India VIX is in decreasing mode. So it's better to have credit spread of Nifty. That means we need to create put credit spread, bullish put credit spread. So how to select the strikes for that one in this vertical option spread? First we will open daily chart of Nifty. We will see the Bollinger Band lower end, that is it's around 9,882. We can round it off like 9,900. And one thing I want to show you, in Bollinger Band settings I have changed some small modification. That is, in default settings standard deviation will be in 2, but I have changed for safety purpose, I have changed it to 3. So it gives lot of scope for the adjustments. So I am selecting the put strike, which is, see, In day mode, Bollinger Band lower end is 9,940. So we can round it around like 9,900 or 10,000. So now I am going to prepare this in Opstra. I am opening the opstradefineedge.com strategy builder. Login. I am opening with my mail ID, Google mail ID. I am opening strategy builder. I have selected Nifty, its default one. At present, future price is 11,168. I am selecting the options. And I want to select 9,900. Put, I want to select. I want to sell 9,900 30th July expiry option. Sorry, I want to sell August one, next month one. It's trading around 41 rupees. I am adding this. Net is very slow, it seems. Yes, it's now added. See the probability of profit 95.01. Above 65, it's very good probability of profit. Estimated premium is, estimated margin for this one 86,000. Maximum profit will be around 3,000. That means almost 3.5% profit is showing what we are investing. For buying strike, we will select deep OTM. 9,900 also, it's a deep OTM. Further deep OTM I want to select. It's trading around 16.85. I am adding. See, probability of profit still it has increased. See the beauty. Before it was 80,000 odd. Now it's 47. 1000 only. Maximum profit is also almost it's like 3% only. So with 80,000, if you have 80,000, we can go for 2 lots, 2 sets. Maximum loss is 65,000. So don't worry about loss up to VIX trend. If it is crosses above ATR trailing stop losses, that means VIX trend is increasing. At that time we need to think about this maximum loss. At that time we need to close the position. When we have to close the position? When Nifty reaches around 9,900, that is where we have short the put. At that point, if Nifty reaches, immediately we need to roll. We need to roll down, or we need to close the position. Okay. Main important point is probability of profit. It's almost 95%. With estimation premium of 47,000. So like this we need to select the option strikes for vertical option credit strategies. Thank you.